Hi, and now from my signature range comes the Vita Boost, which is an advanced serum mask. Okay, now what is in this Vita Boost is vitamin A. Now vitamin A is excellent for the skin, and as we all know, it has retinol. But another thing I'd like to say about this, it has a natural retinol, okay, which is very, very mild, but it works. Then it has a B5, again, which is excellent. We do need vitamin B for our skin. And then we have vitamin C. Now there again, it's very anti-aging, brightening, and really makes your skin glow. And then we have vitamin E, which is again needed for the moisture that we have. It is excellent as an antioxidant. So it is wonderful that is there. And we have vitamin F. Now vitamin F really helps to protect your skin's fatty layer, in fact the 3 layers of your skin, and give it that extra glow. So this signature facial was really brought out because what I found is that we use facials, we do a lot of facials, but what is really needed for our skin is the vitamins. And since what goes on top of your skin and the natural stuff that we are using, it can go into your, it will go into the deep layers of your skin and help to nourish it. We need the nourishment for our skin. So that's how I have come out with a vitamin advanced serum facial. Now let's open it and see what can be given. Now what is in this box of ours? I love the box. In fact, it has so many little exciting items. The first we have is a face cleanser, which you can cleanse the face, and I really recommend that you do a double cleanse because that is going to help you. And also, don't just stick to the face, go right down to the décolleté, that means your neck and your collarbone and your shoulders, okay, which is very important. Next, you use a Exfol gel. Now an Exfol gel, of course, that is going to take away all the dead cells, and if you have blackheads or anything, it's going to make it easier for you to take out. After that, and you will keep that for about 20 minutes, 15 to 20 minutes. Another thing that I found, with this Exfol gel, we can use a galvanic, we can use an ultrasonic, so that it works faster and you can, finish with it. So it will just take you 3 to 5 minutes when you use these other gadgets. The next one is the serum activating lotion. So this is, we put this on the face and massage it for about 10 minutes to 15 minutes so that all these vitamins can really go into your skin, okay? And then we have come to a bowl, and which is given to you in this. And in that bowl we also have, and not in the bowl, in the kit, we also have mask, candy mask. So you can, to remove and to use the candy mask, you can use this tweezer that is there. And what we are going to use is, we are going to use a serum, okay? We are going to use the serum, and when we break it like this, or you can break it like this. I think it's better to break it like this, okay? You just squeeze it, break it, because this is better for you to use, or it could be like this also. It depends on what is easier for you. So that is also in that. Now that you'll soak that with a candy mask, and you'll apply it on top of the face which you've massaged. No removing of the activator. Let the activator be. Massage this, put the mask on top, leave it on for 20 minutes, and then remove it. Whatever is left, you can give it a gentle massage into the skin and wipe off whatever the excess is, and use a sunscreen, whichever you have. You can use the 70 SPF sunscreen, which is fantastic, or you can use the spray sunscreen, whichever you have. So this is going to help you to make your skin glow, make it bright, make it young, in fact, because we need the vitamins for, making our skin, to help the wrinkles, to help the antioxidants, so that, your skin is really going to grow and really give you a wonderful, wonderful facial. And I wish you all the very best with this.
Harmonization. Apply 1 to 2 drops of essential oil on the palms of the client and have them rub the palms together. Ask the clients to then inhale and exhale. Step 1. Cleanser. Follow up with a Blossom Kochhar Aroma Magic Cleanser. Step 2. Exfoliation. Exfoliate the face with Blossom Kochhar Aroma Magic Exfol Gel. Proceed to use the ultrasonic scraper for 2 minutes and wipe the face clean with cotton. Step 3. On clean face, apply 5 ml of Serum Activator Lotion all over the face and neck in a tapping movement. Step 4. Place a candy mask in the bowl and pour 1 ampule of Vita Boost serum over it. Pick it out with a tongue and gently place the mask on the face, adjusting the openings. Step 5. Leave on for 15 minutes and remove the mask. Avoid wiping. Massage your face and neck with the leftover product. Apply Blossom Kochhar Aroma Magic Sunlight Spray.